is Robin and this is my closet. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by, and I'd appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like this video. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. I so appreciate all my loyal followers. So I am leaving for Chicago tomorrow for a week to see my children, and I am so far behind in unboxings. Since I'm up in the mountains, I don't get very good internet. So it's hard to watch all the great YouTubers that I watch, and it's also hard to do videos. But I've got some fantastic boxes. This box I just got, and it's from Milani Cosmetics. I think it was a link. I was on Instagram or Facebook or one of those, and they pop up all these great makeup deals. And this was, if you spent $35, you got a free eyeshadow kit. So I am not one to turn down those great bargains. And I got it in time because this is the set that I'm going to bring with me for my week in Chicago. So let's get into it. It comes with a nice padding, and it's always good to save those, so if you need to ship out, you've got something. So the first thing is the free eyeshadow, and they're wrapping everything so great. Again, with shipping and everything, it was $35. I will leave the link below. I'm not sure if they still have it going on. They might, but I thought it was a great deal. So this is the palette. I'm not sure. Yep, it's taped. And this is a really pretty palette. If you can see, it's like bluesies, and there goes the brush, and it's got that highlighter. Since I am going to use this, I will swatch it. So we've got the highlighter. Not sure if this is a highlighter too, but it's a really pretty color. And the blues. I'm going up my arm. Ooh, and this is really, let me just do that again. So, I don't know if you can see or if there's a glare, but those are the colors. So, it looks like I might have to swatch it a couple times. Excuse me, I dropped the little brush that came with it. But this is the eye brush that comes with it. And I'm going to have this down to a science since I'm going to have a week to practice using that. So that was the free gift for spending $35. And this is the bundle that I ordered. And as you can see, there is a ton of stuff in there. So it comes in this bag that I just might keep to stick everything in. It looks like a makeup bag. I hope you guys all had a great summer, and I am filming this right before Labor Day. It's Wednesday, so I hope you guys have great plans for Labor Day. This is the bag. What a pretty bag. It's black with the gold. Ooh, I have a feeling Kayla's gonna be calling me up, because look at the inside of that makeup bag. And it's got a slot for your brushes, and then it has a little net, I don't know if you can see it, to put your makeup in. So absolutely loving this bag. And let's get into all these goodies. Then we have a Milani highly rated, and it must be a mascara. I do not need any more mascaras. I'm trying to get into using eyelashes, So I'm hoping to get the hang of that, and I have so many mascaras. So I'm going to bring this with and see if any of the girls want that. But that's a real nice mascara. And then there is a lip color. That is a pretty lip color. Let's see if there's a name on it. It says Lavish and something in French. So there's the color. I have some on, so, but already I'm liking everything in this bag. The next thing is a Milani, it must be a blush, Luminoso, maybe it's a baked powder blush. Okay, and of course it's taped. It's always nice when things come nicely packaged, and then you know that nobody else has used it. And sorry, I have to cut into it. Okay, sorry about that. My struggles with opening makeup are real. But I just want to try. Look at that color. It's kind of like a peachy color. And if I have some, I'm not sure, looks more like a luminous color. I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really pretty color. Then there's a lip liner, color statement lip liner, and I'm so excited I got one because I've been watching a lot of get ready with me makeup videos, and eyeliners, lip liners are like coming back. So they're putting on the lip liner all over, then they put on the lipstick and then a little gloss in the middle. And so I'm pretty excited that I got one of these because I don't know if I still have one. And the last thing is Milani Pure Passion Eyeshadow Palette. So the other one, as I said, was just a free gift. And, sorry. I was thinking of filming outside, but I don't know about where you live, but the bees and the wasps are horrible out there. So you sit out there for 1 minute and you're under attack. This is the palette, super pretty. And, oh my, look at those colors. Now that's pretty colors. I don't know if they're on the back. So they do have on the back all the different colors that are in there. So this was everything. My camera's kind of fallen back, so I'm like gonna fall into you guys. So I got the eye palette, the beautiful lip, the mascara, the blush, and my beautiful bag. Oh, what did I do? I threw the blush in there. Yeah, so I got the blush, the eye, the lip, the liner that I can't wait to try, the mascara, and my free gift. So let me know what you think of this. Oh, and what's nice is they show you how to do those eyes. Of course, I will never have that eye, but it's nice that they show you. And it all fits perfect in this makeup bag. So let me know what you thought. I'm sorry the video is kind of odd. Let me see if I can fix it. So if you did like it, if you liked the products, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to enter my contest. I'll try to get this video up before the contest ends. And have an awesome day.